Hey guys, Richard here. Hey, I'm out riding the Velotric Breeze 1 that we just got in, and I'm going to share some things about it. This is my first ride, really, so this isn't going to be a full review, but it will be a mini review because I'm going to stop and show a few things to you. I love the color. I'll show you that in a minute too. This is a smooth riding bike. A torque sensor. Just super nice, and the pedals, nice feel. It's a cruiser style bike, and now you might be wondering, well, what's the difference between a cruiser and a commuter? Because they look about the same. They are about the same. But, you know, I will share with you this cruiser style has rigid forks. So strictly for the hard surface bike paths, that little dog's gonna eat us up. Strictly for the hard surface bike paths and things like that. But it rides nice, super nice. Oh, here he goes. He doesn't like us at all. Yeah, so anyway, let's get cruising here. Let's get cruising. Got that torque sensor. I can kick things up a little bit. Hello, mail lady. Kara, our mail lady. Yeah. We're going to swing around here. We're going to stop at the little park over here in the neighborhood, and we'll get into some details here. Oh. Guys, so we're just going to slip on over here and stop right about here. Show you all about this thing. All right. Check this beautiful color out. Is that thing nice or what? Look at this thing. Man, that is like, I'm not sure what they call it. I forgot what they call it. Somewhere between orange and red. Just super nice. All right, guys, this thing has a 750 watt motor. We have a 13 point something amp hour battery up here in the front. On the website, it says you get fenders with it free right now. So that might be a special deal they got going on. We didn't receive fenders, but that's okay. We do have hydraulic brakes, which is always good to see. Up here in the front, what it is, the rigid forks. So no suspension there in the front. Here's what the tires look like. Not sure what size that is. Those are like a 2.5 maybe. So those are 27 inch by 2.2, yeah. Up here in the cockpit area, this is really sweet. This is where the magic happens. This is where Velotric really does it well with their bikes, and they kind of stand out from everybody else. And that's the cockpit area usually has better components. First of all, we have a really nice display. You have different riding modes that you can get on. You can switch to. You can switch from torque to cadence sensor over here. It shows you all the information you're looking for, which is real nice. Starting over here, really good handle grips. Yeah, just really nice rubbery handle grips. That button pad is real nice. You got blinkers left and right. You got the power button, you got the mode button, and you got your up and down pass levels. You got a left-handed trigger shifter or a thumb shifter. Your headlight is mounted up here in the handlebars, which is a little bit different than some others. You still have a bell on the right, and this is an 8-speed with the trigger shifter. I love that setup. 8-speed with a trigger shifter is the best in my opinion. There's no ghost pedaling with this bike. As we get back on the road, you'll see no ghost pedaling at all. It's just a really smooth ride to get down the road. All right, guys, we're gonna get back out here and ride around now. Here's something that I really like, especially if here in Florida where it's so hot in the summertime. Sometimes I like to ride in cadence mode, and sometimes I want a little more exercise and I want to ride in torque mode. So to make those changes, right here on the button pad, all you do is press and hold the M or mode button, and it switches from torque to cadence. Woohoo! There we go. It just kicked in. Yeah, that easy. That's Super nice, super nice. So now we're in cadence sensor mode, and we are in pass number 1. We can keep it up to number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Top speed for this bike, I believe, is 20 miles per hour. Yeah. You don't even hear that motor. You don't hear the motor at all on this bike. It's just cruising right along. Real nice. I mean, you're just gliding. That's what it feels like, gliding. Even this seat is not so bad at all. There's no suspension or anything on the seat post, but so far, I haven't felt like I've missed having a suspension seat post because it just feels really good. All right, guys, getting turned around here because this isn't a full review. I got to put some miles on this thing. See if there's anything quirky about it, but I don't suspect there will be because super good quality build. So be looking for the full review here not too long down the road. We'll be bringing you everything we know about it. Hey, if you're interested in picking it up now, make sure you follow the link down below and also look for that discount code. Use that, save yourself a little money. Guys, I appreciate it. If you have any questions, drop them down below. Make sure you give me a thumbs up if you like these videos. It sure helps me a lot. And I'd appreciate it if you'd share one once in a while with your friends and neighbors. I'll see you in another video real soon. Ride responsibly, ride safe.